author of Foods You Love That Love You Back, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade alkaline water using lemon juice. First, you take 8 ounces of water and just pour it in a glass, or if you're using a big pitcher, you can just double this recipe as many times as you'd like. And then you just take a teaspoon of lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice. And here you have your homemade alkaline water. It's that easy. And the importance of alkaline water is it's important to remove toxins from your body. Your body should be around 8 or 9 pH. And you don't want to use just tap water from your faucet. You want to use distilled water, purified water, or water that has been purified through reverse osmosis. So I just showed you how to make your own homemade alkaline water, and you can visit me at koyaweb.com.